Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable LED when receive notification on Samsung Galaxy A14. Simply go on Play Store, install this application. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Tap on device screen corners. From here you can customize the corners, like if you want curved corner, as you can see, little curved corners, regular corners, or you can adjust it manually, like simple doing like this and this. Scroll down. From here you can adjust camera hole like this, V narrow, or doing like this. I will minimize the height as this is now fit. So I will simply save it. Tap on cross. Tap on OK simply. This is applied on your notification. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel.